happening, ladies and germs? It's time to get ready for the Paris, Texas Harley Davidson trip. We're leaving San Antonio, Texas at 5 a.m. on Friday morning and going up to Paris. And check this out. If you guys are out there and you're looking for me, just look for the chops, because I'm going to be wearing these exact same sunglasses the entire time. Look for the chops. Here's where I'm going to be. Around 1 p.m. on Friday, I'm going to be chilling at the hotel. We're going to be relaxing, having some chicken wings, chilling, maybe take a little nappy nap, okay? Because it's going to be a long riding morning. Then, that evening, we're going to show up at K River. I'm jumping in the river, man. I don't know about y'all, but I heard Adam Sandoval say, bring your shorts. He's already going in the bag, baby. Next, on Saturday morning, we're going to check in our bikes at 7 a.m. at Cox Field. Okay, we're going to check in our bikes there. We're going to take the shuttle back to Paris, Texas Harley Davidson, walk across the street to the Denny's, probably the Denny's. I want to do the Denny's. Anyway, that Denny's is going to go off Saturday morning. Join me for breakfast. By the way, keep an eye on my Instagram. It's dirty.deez. I'm going to be posting every single spot that I'm at. If not, you can find me on Facebook. I'm at Tom Deez, D-E-E-Z, Tom Deez. Find me on Facebook, find me on Instagram. Guys, I want to connect with you, man. I want to hang out. And you know I got all kinds of goodies. I got the stickers, I got the spam cards, we got cigars, we got poker chips. Man, we're going to have a good old time. We're coming prep, baby. All right, speaking of prep, I'm going to show you this next segment. We're going to talk about some things that a lot of people forget to bring when they're going on a road trip. I'm going to show you some other stuff that I did to get ready. Woo-wee! I just can't wait. Now look, this might sound weird coming from me, but I'm only talking to you about this because I care about you. Take protection. Always on road trips, especially biker rallies and stuff like that, man. Take that protection with you. Talk about some ear protection, fool. Look, I want to send a big shout out to my boy Digging the Hound, who alerted me at first about ear protection, man. I did a road trip one time coming from Big Bend National Park, didn't wear anything in my ear protection. Right hand side of my ear went deaf for about 2 weeks. Thought I had lost my hearing completely. And maybe I did. Maybe I just got used to it. I don't know. But from now on out, man, ear protection. Just do it. Save yourself. The next thing a lot of people forget to take these and take a bunch of them. Because the quarters are going to be something you're going to want. Because once you get to Paris, Texas or any other place, man, wash your damn bike, all right? It doesn't have to be dirty just because you're riding dirty. Speaking of, take some bike rags, man. Don't forget this stuff. It's very important. Next, always bring one of these because you never know when you're going to have to cut some rope. Take a bandana, for crying out loud. This one is my favorite one of all time. This one actually has the map of the Texas Hill Country. Map of the Texas Hill Country right there, baby. And why do you want to take a bandana? Well, it's getting really, really hot. You want to keep the sweat out of your face. Of course, you can do the bandana thing. But when it's really, really hot, get this thing wet, put it over your neck like that. It's going to keep you nice and cool. Next thing I want to bring to your attention, please, people, if you're traveling with other folks, be respectful. Have some common courtesy. If you're going to be sharing a hotel room with somebody else, get some damn Glade, boy. Trust me, man, you're going to want this stuff. And keep it in the bathroom, man. Trust me. Just trust me. Don't forget the bike. Air filter. A lot of people overlook this. This is going to help you out with your gas mileage as well. I have 2 of them, okay? And they're both K&N air filters. That way I can switch one off and switch one on. I've always got a clean one, and all you really have to do is rinse these puppies out. I mean, you can see right through this thing as it is, right? I mean, you can see my thumb on the other side of that. That is clean as a whistle, boy. I'd love to hear in the comments what else you guys do for long trips. It's all about preparation, man. The other thing you want to do, put your battery on the battery tender the night before. I learned this lesson the hard way, as you guys probably remember from that one time. The other thing, never forget how important your tires are, guys. I got my tires replaced about 2 months ago. And, you know, I'm glad that I did it before the big ride, because when you get brand new tires, you got to scrub them in because they've got a little bit of a film around them to keep them preserved while they're back in the warehouse. Get your tires early. Don't go off and get tires right before a ride. Don't be a Momo. Pop quiz hot shot. T-clocks. What does a T stand for? Tires. We were just talking about it, man. I got to remind you about this stuff. Look, do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? Because if you don't, I don't know how many long rides you've been on. This is an air compressor for your tires, man. This fits right in your bag. This goes into your tire. It's going to tell you what your air pressure is here. And this plugs into your bike. You don't have to look for a plug. So don't give me none of that stuck on the side of the road boo-boo. Plug it in, get your tires done. Look, if you're going on a 6-7 hour ride, multi-day ride, anything like that, when you get there, aren't you gonna wanna check your tire pressure, man? And before you leave to go back home, don't you wanna know that your tire pressure's right? Do it. I can't tell you how many times do I bring this thing and nobody else brought one and people are lined up asking me if they can use mine. And I'm like, yeah, man, it's gonna cost you 50 cents. You're gonna have to bring me a Red Bull or a Coca-Cola or something, man. I don't know. Help a brother out. Help a brother out, but help yourself out first. Get one of these, man. It's worth every penny. Oh shoot, special delivery just came through right in the nick of time. This is going to save my ass. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna send you guys a little challenge. This is called the How to Open a Box Without a Knife challenge. Watch this. Here we go. Little movie magic? I don't know. I don't think so, but watch this. Yeah. Bruce Lee ain't got nothing on that. Gonna save my... Yeah, baby. Next step, get the inspection done and pay the registration. Man, as soon as I was leaving the Harley Davidson dealership, I see this big old sign that says, get your registration here. Boom. Yeah, it's a title place, so they charged me an extra 10 bucks, but you know what we say? Time is gold, so whatever, man. And I always stop off at a drugstore of some sort to pick up some supplies. I'm gonna show you some things I may or may not be getting, but I absolutely did get a little thing of sunscreen because last year out at Bring It Home, man, we burned to a crisp waiting for that thing to start after staging. The other thing that I got, well, I picked up some deodorant, I picked up some candy bars, stuff like that. Hopefully they won't melt my bag on the way out there. And then I found a way that we might save some time on the road. I don't know, what do you guys think? Man, I've been so busy running around town getting all this stuff done, I forgot to pre-register for the friggin' event. All right, let me take care of that right now. Paris, Texas, Bring It Home, booyah! Registration is open. That's not a link. Hey, who do you see in the background? That ain't me. All right, party people, it's day 2 of the event prep. Why am I in this friggin' cage? Well, because we're gonna be doing a lot of shopping today. And I don't have a whole lot of space on the bike, so what am I going to be going out to get? I'm going to cycle gear because I need to get some Kevlar riding jeans. This is my big excuse to get them. I told Little Miss, I said, hey, look, this is going to be a safety expenditure. We're going to get the good ones, though. I told her they were 70 bucks. They're like double that price at the low side. Joke's on you, Jack. Wait a minute, she might be watching this video. Yeah, they're 70 bucks. Got them on sale. Dang. Yeah, I had a coupon. All right, so I ended up copping these bad boys from Reax. Check it out, man. You've got knee padding. You've got Kevlar lining. And this thing is called, what is it here? I got the black one, so this is 12-ounce black coated denim. This is everything you need. I mean, you really can't put a price tag on safety, although these guys absolutely did, but I tell you what, man, well worth the price, and probably the last ones I'm ever gonna have to grab. Check this out, I'm setting myself a little challenge. I'm gonna get everything that I need in this little duffel bag. Oh yeah, I'm not putting the bags on, man. It's this one little waterproof bag that I bought at the Army surplus store. So just remember, guys, look for the chops, look for the glasses, man. I'm looking out for you guys. I want you to come find me. I gotta meet as many people as I can out there. And we're gonna break the record this year, because me and the boys were out there last year and we had a blast, but we didn't get it done. This is the year. All right, my friends, I'll see you out there. Peace out, ride safe. And I'll see you in Paris, Texas. All right.